welcome to RuggedMade. This is the FC140 Vibratory Plate Compactor. This is a forward-only design that offers the size, weight, and features to do a wide range of jobs when it comes to compacting soil, gravel, crushed stone, and other materials. The FC140 weighs in at 140 pounds and delivers a compaction depth of up to 8 inches, depending on the material being compacted. This is the lightest model in the RuggedMade compaction line. Its lightweight makes it ideal for smaller projects like patios, walkways, and many landscaping jobs. It is far more productive than using a manual tamper, and it can make light work of both professional construction jobs and home DIY projects. The plate measures 20 inches long by 14 inches wide. Its compact size allows you to get it into tight spots like trenches. It is convenient for a small crew to bring to the job site because no equipment is needed to lift it in and out of the truck. And the folding handle makes it easy to transport and to store it when it's not on a job. When you add the optional urethane pad, it becomes the perfect choice for compacting blocks, pavers, and bricks without causing damage. The FC140 comes with a reliable Briggs & Stratton XR series engine. The engine platform is mounted using rubber mounts for engine longevity. As a forward-only type of compactor, the controls are very simple. Increasing the throttle engages the clutch, and that powers the vibrating unit using a reliable belt. An optional wheel kit attaches to the frame. It makes rolling the FC140 around the job site easy, and the wheels fold up and out of the way when not being used. Owning a RuggedMade compactor is a great alternative to renting. You only have to use it on a few jobs for it to pay for itself. If your construction, masonry, or landscaping business is growing, consider expanding your fleet so you can keep up with more jobs. And sometimes, simply having a backup in case a machine goes down can save a job and keep your customers happy. The FC140 ships free to your door. For more information, visit us at ruggedmade.com.